Hello guys, Ancient Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco and welcome to my channel. And as for this video we have the unboxing of the Zotac RTX 4060 White Edition. And I also want to thank myself for buying this card, because otherwise the store wouldn't send it to me anyway. And of course I want to thank today's sponsor as well. Today's sponsor is Maximum Settings, a cloud-based gaming service where you won't need to spend thousands of dollars to upgrade your PC or a personal nuclear plant to boot up your system. Just do it! And for as low as 9.95 Canadian dollars a month, you can play the most recent games on your computer even if your hardware isn't prepared. And if you don't play that much, well, you can just use the hourly system for as little as 0.35 Canadian dollars. Sign up today for your full Linux gaming PC with no resource sharing and start enjoying high-level gaming on any PC. As for the unboxing, this is one of the cheapest RTX 4060 that you can buy actually, and it is very cool. It's a white edition. It has LEDs, by the way, it has LEDs, white LED just on the Zotac gaming symbol, and the card looks very good and performs very well as well.
You're teasing me, you naughty.
And that's all I have to say. So guys, on the unboxing part, well, we have the Zotac Twin Edge White Edition of the GeForce RTX 4060, and no, I would never spend such money on a card if it wasn't for testing and if I didn't have this channel, but anyway, that's not the point here. The point is to unbox this GPU, okay? GeForce RTX 4060. We have 8 GB of GDDR6, freeze tech, Firestorm, so we have the freeze tech and Firestorm at the same time. This is not gonna end well because we have freeze and fire at the same time. Anyway, on the side we have Twin Edge, white, 8 GB, black, OC edition and 4060. On the other side it is basically the same, 4060 with the Zotac symbol, nice. On the bottom we have Zotac Gaming and then the specifications in several languages, not the specifications but details, and on the top we have 4060 Zotac Gaming, which is also nice. On the back is where we have more information, once again GeForce RTX 4060, then we have the Zotac Gaming, we have a picture of the card, and then we have several other things like the Firestorm once again. So Firestorm, oh, the lighting is very bad here actually, let me just adjust it. We have the Firestorm once again, a refined UI for easy and intuitive GPU tuning and monitoring, so basically like MS Afterburner. And then we have the freeze, which is the fan stop when GPU is idle, basically the fan stop tech. Then we have the key features of the card. We have dedicated ray tracing cores, dedicated tensor cores, Nvidia DLSS 3, game ready, blah blah blah, GeForce Experience, broadcast, G-Sync, GPU boost, PCI Express 4, and so on. But well, let's open the card. Nice touch from Zotac on the cardboard, by the way. It is a simple light blue, or let's say grayish blue cardboard with the Zotac Gaming symbol and some waves here, so it's kind of a nice touch. Not that expensive, but a nice touch. Let's open it. Oh, that's actually nice. We have something here. Love gaming, power the win. I actually had the previous 4070 Ti from Zotac, and I don't remember it bringing this thing, but maybe it did. I don't remember. As for the Zotac, we have the Zotac manual. Once again, more you need to know, blah blah blah. Then we have the Zotac other manual. Okay, it's the reward. Share to get rewarded. Okay, and then we have this that we also had on the 4070 Ti. Now I remember, which is the Zotac Gaming something. I don't know how. It's kind of a sticker, not really, but kind of a sticker, as you can see here. Yeah, something like this. As for the GPU itself, well, let's open it. There should be something here. because there's an empty spot here, but I do believe that this empty spot is for the non-white version, maybe the Spider-Man version that brings some things here, and they wouldn't make different foams for different cards, so they made exactly the same foam for the two cards, while the Spider-Man one had the features here, not the features, had the additional things here, and the white version doesn't. That's why there's a space there. Let's look at it closely, and it does look fine. All white. On the side we have Zotac Gaming, and that's all. Let me just peel it off. On the front we have this, so all white, white fans as well, nice, with the Zotac symbol in them, cool. On the side we have Zotac Gaming here, and then GeForce RTX with no LEDs, just simple plain blank with no LEDs. Or maybe we have some LEDs here, maybe we have LEDs here, I don't really know. On the top we have the GeForce RTX once again, then we have Live to Game, which is kind of a motto for Zotac, I guess. And we have some cuts here for better airflow as well. The PCB is really small. This is definitely a 4050 called 4060, definitely. But anyway, on the other side we have the heat pipes. Only one heat pipe because we don't need more than that. Only one heat pipe, then the heatsink there. Cool. And on the front, as you can see, yes, the PCB is really short. In here we can see that all this part here is only heatsink, the PCB hence here by the 8-pin power connection. On the side, and as for the connections, we have the usual input-output panel from Zotac with the Zotac symbol, and we do have, let me see, we do have DisplayPort, HDMI, and DisplayPort. So 3 display ports, 2 of them here, another one here, and 1 HDMI. Yeah. But I don't believe that this card has any kind of LEDs, but it does look great. It does look great, not gonna lie to you. Yeah. As for the usual size comparison, well, we have 3 cards here, and as you can see already, the 4060 is actually pretty short. Here you have the card from the Intel card. You can see it here. Maybe we need a bit more light. Yeah, so you can see it here. The one from Intel, and this one is from Nvidia. So the 4060 and the ARC A770, way shorter, and not only that, shorter, but in terms of thickness, it is also more or less the same, while being much shorter. But the power draw is also different. It's like 120 watts here versus 200 watts with the Intel ARC. Stock 190, I believe. Okay, as for the other card, we have the Red Devil 6600 XT. Once again, this card is way thicker than the 4060 because it has to be. Okay, it has to be way thicker. It is also longer, as you can see. Not much, but it is also longer. But it is in terms of thickness that the difference stands. It's completely watchable and easy to see how much thicker it is. But once again, higher power draw. Sorry, lower power draw, so that's normal. It just doesn't like to stand here very much. Yeah, that's basically it for the unboxing. Not really much more to see. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video as it really helps a lot. It really does help a lot. Leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know if you like the aspect of this card, so the design of this card. As it, in my opinion, it looks very good. And I do have a white build, all white build, and this card fits perfectly in that white build. It just looks great with that white LED just saying Zotac Gaming. So as far as I'm concerned, it will be the main GPU on that specific build, as it looks great, and that specific build is actually the secondary build, which I sometime used to test, like I will on the 40 games with this card, of course, but usually it's more or less to do some some gaming when my little cousin kicks in as well and wants to play Fortnite as well, so it's more than enough for that, that's what I mean. And once again, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section, let me know what you think about the RTX 4050, aka 4060, and well, see you in the next video. Yes, why not? Cheers.